Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Trisha. I make cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle videos. If you're into these kinds of stuff, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the red button down below, and follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook accounts. Their links are in the description box below. So today, I'm so excited because I'm going to decorate the house for the Christmas season. If you want to see my Christmas haul video, you can go to my IGTV, my Instagram account, and my Facebook page. I posted a video there, so I won't be discussing these decors too much in this video. I just want to show you the whole process of me decorating the house. I'm just really excited, you guys, because I really prepared for this. I planned out the theme that I wanted the house to look like. I'm going for a very simple look. Let's see if we'll be able to achieve that today. I'm only going to use one color, and that is the silver color. I was actually planning on buying white Christmas ornaments, but I ended up buying glittery stuff instead, but that's okay because I also love the things that I have right now. You'll see later on in the video what I have done for this house. Anyway, let's start decorating now. I'm going to start by fluffing these little branches of the tree. If you've seen my Undecorate With Me video posted last January, I kept our tree by twisting the branches to fit it in its original box that it came with. Finally, the tree looks like a tree now. I probably spent 20 minutes untangling the branches of the tree, and it's now ready to be decorated. Yeah. Before we proceed with decorating the tree, I got tired doing it, so we're now going to decorate this tree. I'm so excited. I'm going to wrap it with the lights first. I did not buy new Christmas lights because I already feel that I've already spent too much just for decorating the house. But I'm happy with everything that I bought this year. Anyway, I also wanted to ask you guys, have you decorated your house yet? Or are you still planning on what decorations you're going to buy? I also just want to acknowledge that we are experiencing a lot right now in the Philippines, especially amidst the pandemic. We're dealing with the coronavirus, typhoons in a matter of just a few weeks. There are a lot of properties and lives lost already. Anyway, let's place the lights now. I want to check first if this is still working. Oh no, I dropped it on the floor. You guys, look at this. So pretty. I'm so excited. We have to vacuum the floor first. I was really looking forward to hanging these ornaments because this is the first time for me to use ornaments which are not the regular Christmas balls that we normally use. I really planned on using a different style for our tree this year, and I really picked out the simplest but most elegant designs that I can find out there. These pine cones really added color to the tree. I'm so glad I found this design in the warehouse store because I got the last 2 packs of these pine cones that day. Good thing we visited the warehouse. Some of these pine cones are broken. I'm gonna tape the straps on the pine cones later on. knew the tree would look bland with just those ornaments, so I wanted to try decorating it with these leaf picks as well, just to give it a little more fun. And it did make the tree really fun and elegant with not having too much color in it.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of Angels.
I also wanted to give our dining table a good wipe first before decorating it. I didn't buy a new table runner for the dining table since I think that this table runner is already perfect for the minimalist design that I'm going for. I'm placing this small Christmas tree in this table to give it a pop of color. I also placed the placemats that I bought to see if it fits well with the table runner and the decors on the table, and I think I liked how everything went together. I also gave this kitchen window a good wipe before placing some of the decors on it. Again, I placed this artificial plant on it to give it a pop of color as well, just not to make it too white since the rest of the house is already too white. The angel, if you've been here since last year, you know that I got this beautiful angel from last year, and I just love how I was able to use some of my Christmas decors from last year as well. I love these white houses because I've been really wanting to have these ever since I can remember. I'm still thinking about placing string lights on this small tree, but I feel like this very simple look is also perfect for the minimalist vibe that I'm going for.
Come ye to Bethlehem.
Right here, Dennis is helping me with hanging this garland. This is the first time that I'm sticking something on our wall because we're just renting this place and I don't want to cause damage on the paint on the wall. Let's see by January when I'm finally removing these decors if we damage the walls or not, but we definitely used command hooks which are allegedly safe to use on the walls, so we'll see. I also placed Mr. Gnome right here. He's our garden duty this Christmas season. I'm so glad I found this wreath because I love its design so much. I feel like it perfectly symbolizes the simplicity of the look that I was going for this year. I decided to hang it above our TV. I just feel like it's the perfect spot for our wreath. Well, it's definitely a challenge decorating a tiny home because we don't have a lot of space to decorate with. But I'm glad that we don't have a lot of space just because I really wanted a simple minimalist Christmas decoration for this year. I hope you guys like this video. If you like these kinds of videos, go watch my minimalist Christmas decoration haul and my Christmas decorate with me from last year as well. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays you guys, and see you on the next one.